Be blessed by the divine. Do I have to blank my mind while meditating? Meditation is about focusing your mind on your own life force so that you concentrate on your life force vibration, which will help you to go to the alpha level of frequency, theta level of frequency, and delta level of frequency. At each level of improvement, for instance, from beta to alpha, your mind calms down. There will be no distraction in that level. However, you may still have some thoughts at that level. When it goes to theta level of frequency, which is between 4 and 7 cycles per second, your mind calms down even further and you will have fewer thoughts. When it reaches the delta level of frequency, you will not have any thoughts. You will reach a thoughtless state. The idea of meditation is to reach the thoughtless state of bliss. When we reach the thoughtless state of bliss, we will have great happiness that emerges out of our inner conscious mind. At that state, the mind is in its purest best, and there will be no more distraction in the mind. So when you start to meditate, there is no reason for you to blank your mind, but you can request your mind to permit you to concentrate for a few minutes on your own life force and finish the meditation. Once the meditation is over, you can go back to focusing on your own mind so that you can start to solve your mind's problems. We keep ignoring our mind. We do not focus on our mind's distractions. When we keep on ignoring it during the course of the day, and when we sit down to meditate, the mind distracts us because we have been ignoring the mind. Don't ignore the mind. Focus on your mind. Listen to it. If the mind is trying to tell you something, the moment you understand what your mind is trying to tell you, the mind will calm down. Once you keep listening to the mind and make it a habit for you on a regular basis through the process of introspection that our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi has taught us, you will certainly succeed in effortlessly meditating on your own life force and succeeding in your life in all spheres. Be blessed by the divine.